May knowledge be followed by good deeds. The Apostle says the letter kills but the Spirit gives life. Those who are dead from the letter who strive to know only words. To be considered very wise among others and to acquire great wealth for relatives and friends. And those monks are dead from the letter who do not want to follow the spirit of the divine letter but want to better learn only the words and explain to others. And those are life-giving by the spirit of the divine letter who attribute all knowledge that they have or strive to acquire not to the body but render it to the word and example of the Most High Lord God whose is all good.